Which of the following best states the author's point in writing this passage? A. The author wants the reader to know the background of the speaker. B. The author wants to describe father through the eyes of the speaker. C. The author wants the reader to know what is important to father. Or D. The author wants to introduce you to mother. As we've seen, the answer is B. Let's go through each of the other choices and see why they wouldn't make appropriate answers. A. The author wants the reader to know the background of the speaker. If this is the author's point in writing this passage, he didn't do a very good job, as we walk away knowing very little about the speaker's background. We don't know where or when he lived, what he enjoyed doing, etc. Therefore, it's hard to claim that this was the author's point in writing this passage. C. The author wants the reader to know what is important to father. Again, there's simply not enough in the text to support this claim. It's true that the text tells us that father smoked and shaved and gave gifts to the speaker, but this doesn't tell us what's important to father. Therefore, this too can be marked as incorrect. D. The author wants to introduce you to mother. Mother isn't mentioned at all in the first paragraph, and is only mentioned twice in the second paragraph, and each time it's in relation to father. If the author's main point in writing this passage was to introduce mother, surely we would have seen more of her. Which brings us to our correct answer, B. The author wants to describe father through the eyes of the speaker. Both paragraphs discuss how the speaker viewed father, with every sentence touching on this point. Therefore, we can conclude that this is indeed the author's main point in writing this passage.